All right, so here's a walk around video of the 83 GMC S15. I mean, guys, you won't find or see another one like this around, that's for sure. Rust-free body paint. Flames are painted on. You could also cover that with vinyl. That's what I would do. Billet Specialty wheels, wilwood brakes. The whole front end is custom. Obviously, you guys seen the other videos. Control arms, brakes, the whole front end. I'll open that in a second. Everything's new on it. I mean, everything's new. The whole front end, ball joints, rear end, the 4-link, everything. I mean, the truck has less than 2,000 miles total. It's got a power remote license plate. Let me pause and do. So you'll see the plate going up and the plate going down. And then it's got a remote control for the bed actuators. That's down. And then just go back up. Yeah, we won't go all the way down. So, all the way up? Is that it? Okay. So that's all the way up. Full custom bed. The gas tank is obviously underneath the bed. It's done the right way. It's all aluminum. The whole underside a little dirty, but give you an idea. This truck was done right. All right, so moving on. This is this side. The paint is literally like perfect on this thing. Full shaved doors and gas tank. So here's the driver door. Fully custom. This is fully custom. Dakota dash. I'll show that in a minute. Console, Lokar. It's got the controls for the windows in the middle. And then I put a new switch in for the bed lift actuators. Heat, AC, everything there. It's like perfect. This is a Dakota Digital dash. It's not a stock dash. No cracks, tears, nothing in here. Both doors are the same. This truck is completely clean. Frame was smoothed out. You can see down there. Let's see. Other than being dirty, you can see the whole system. I just put a brand new valance on the bottom. I'll go ahead and pop the passenger door. Whatever one. No, just they're yellow. Yellow. All right, had to get the remote here. Go ahead. So that's the passenger door. Again, everything is just perfect. Man, there is one stitching error here I noticed, but other than that, that's it. The trans gauge is in the glove box. It's got a Kenwood radio with Wi-Fi, a Bluetooth, whatever, so it can do Spotify and all that. Perfect back there. I'll go ahead and move to the motor. So we're opening the hood. The hood is very heavy. Helping, yeah. It's very heavy because this is all custom filled in. So this is all metal, steel. There's the front end. It's got rack and pinion steering. You know, everything here you see polished aluminum, everything chrome. There's no expense spared when they built this thing. LT1, stroke to 383. It's quick. Could probably use a little bit of a cleaning. Other than that, yeah, you can see the frame, control arms. So that's pretty much it. Any other questions, just ask. But it's got stainless steel exhaust, straight back. That's about it. So any questions, just leave me in the comments, guys.